Climb over, buddy. Just stand up and walk around. You bazooka? Where are you diving? Into the wind or out of the wind? Yeah. Do a run and jump, Dan. Do a run and jump. Yeah, oh yeah. Yes. Step right over it. Start over there.
Ready? Go.
You alright? You want to do one more?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a hand. I'll lift you up like a tuna. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Climb over. Climb back up Uncle Bobby. You got it. What do you got, spaghetti legs? Do a cannonball, dude. Yeah, do a running cannonball.
Ready?
Nice one, man. You alright? Come over here. Come over here, I'll help you up. The bait board is over here, on where you are. There we go. Ready? Tuna pull. A good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You alright?
My legs stink. Because I landed on my leg.
You want to go again?
Right.
Just rub it out. That's right. That's what happens when you swim in the bay.
It does?
Yeah, salt water stuff. Yeah, you know, everything stings.
Not my eyes. That's the only thing.
Good. Uncle Bobby's up there waiting for you. You can do anything you want. Dive. Let's see you do a hand first dive. Nice. You got game, huh?
What?
You have game?
What?
Say goodbye to the camera.